Okay guys, welcome back to Udon Project 3. So let me show you what's going on. The railings are in. So got Lek here, she's on painting the primer, black oxide. Getting ready for putting the path in. With all the cornices around the doors and windows. For the bathroom, doing the ceiling, for the installation for all here. These are the Changfa. Changfa means ceiling workers. They do all the ceiling and plasterboard. Sorry, the guys are making so much noise. Okay. Relay the foreman and all these measurements and that for the doors. Here we are in the bathroom. Changgabuan. Changgabuan. Gabuan is tile in Thai. Looking good. Oh, chai out. No, paw. Bit chai. But I need a. Kill. Yeah, kill. Trim. Chai. But I need kill. Songan. Tini. But I haven't got yet. Maybe. Don't need. Yeah.
Cut.
Yeah, chai. Put the same again, need trim. Okay, ini mosaic, ini ini, but ini mosaic.
Ani.
Chai. Good, ini chai. Chai.
Oh, why do I have
What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put any trim sea cow here. But here, aluminium. Okay. So you want to do? Oh, this one you want to do? Yeah, that's okay. Me okay, die. Okay, get as much as you can on here, then start on the other bathroom. Right? 30 เมตร for นี่ห้องที่นี่ใช่ไหมนี่สองห้อง30 เมตรโอเคเขาเจอตั้งหากโอเคมันเป็นเรื่องอะไรเยอะกว่าYeah, okay. Well, this one's aluminium trim in it. Anhประมาณนี้50 กว่า
อยู่นี่50
ใช่
50 เมตรเนี่ย
50 and 30 เป็น 80
because you got ที่นี่ and ที่นี่ that's 50นี่50
บนล่างบ่
ใช่มีเสร็จ
ห้องน้ำบ่คือก่อนเด้บนล่าง
บ่ว่าไป100 รถว่า100 เมตรรถ
Okay, well, I'll do. I'll get a.
After tomorrow, he said it's okay, ไม่เป็นไร
Okay.
No, don't need to do now.
You see, I'm gun. Okay, because I got it. Okay. So that was me sorting the tilers out. He likes making noises, guy. Like a homemade cook. Yeah, so this is a seating area, come balcony, handrail, or whatever you want to call it. Still a bit to come off here a bit for the design. So, but on the back here it's going to be the same as that. There's all the tiles ordered in. So this is for the bathroom. This is for the, it's like a wood effect for the deck areas. This is for the floor for the bathroom. This is for the garage flooring. And these here 5 pallets are for the main house. Okay, this here. It's a non-slip tile. Where you been, you scruffy? Eh? Honey? What's the owner's dog? Okay. So there you go. Getting close to the finish now. Just a few weeks done and dusted. So I'll sign off now and catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Bye.